How to set a price alert on FastBull. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you are trying to set a price alert on FastBull, then the first thing to do is to open a web browser and type in fastbull.com in it and search. Make sure that you are logged into your FastBull account by entering the account's credentials. Once you're inside, go ahead and click on the Market tab from the left-hand side menu and select a currency pair you want to open up the chart page for. After you open the chart for the specific asset you want to monitor, you'll be able to see this page where you'll see your chart overview. Go to the top right section and look for this bell icon and click on it. And now, go ahead and choose whether you'd like to be alerted only once or once a day. And now, on the next field, enter your price alert condition. You can choose to be alerted if the price rises above, drops below, rises by percentage, or drops by percentage. I'm just going to go ahead and enter this price over here on rise above. I'm just going to go ahead and enter the price here, right next to rise above, and if the price rises above this amount over here, I will be alerted. You can also go ahead and set the price alert if it drops, rises by percentage, or drops by percentage. Just make your selection and click on create. Right after you do that, the alert will be created. Now FastBull will notify you when the price reaches your selected level. Most of the traders use alerts so that they can avoid watching the chart all day, catch up breakout opportunities, monitor support and resistance level. So make sure that you have turned on the notification for the platform in order to be alerted. So that's how you can easily create a price alert on FastBull. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.